lovers. Welcome to my family. On my channel, I'll keep daily updated about Kaizer Chiefs. Kaizer Chiefs player Samuel Lozane stated, I think we haven't been playing badly the whole season. It is just maybe we are lacking in finishing and some mistakes have led to goals. He said, like I'm saying, if we had convinced those changes, we could be talking different story right now, stated Samuel Lozane. He believed that Kaizer Chiefs will do more better next season. For more Kaizer Chiefs updates, kindly subscribe to my channel so I can daily update you about Kaizer Chiefs news.